In this video, I want to talk to you about leading and lagging indicators. Once you've implemented the takt production system and takt steering and control, you can start tracking some leading and lagging indicators. Leading is preventative indicators, lagging are after the fact, right? So percent plan complete, which is fine, which only works with takt and last planner. It doesn't work with CPM and last planner. That's a lagging indicator, but you can do a root cause analysis with your percent of promises complete or your percent of plans complete, percent plan complete, sorry, and then find the root causes, the variances, and make corrective actions. I do like that, but there are three more that we'd really like you to start posting up on your takt steering and control boards and really learning to love. One is your perfect handoff percentage. That means anywhere you have a handoff where one trade is handing off their scope to another trade and the trades are moving forward from zone to zone, how many of those handoffs are actually being done properly? And you want to be above an 80% score on your perfect handoff percentage. This is the biggest indicator of flow that you can get. The second additional indicator would be your roadblock removal average. This is great. This is every roadblock, when did you find it, when did you remove it, when would it have impacted your production plan? And we want the average number of days to be bigger, meaning one day would mean that you're removing roadblocks an average of 1 day before they impact. 5 days, you're removing roadblocks 5 days before they impact. You get the idea. And so your roadblock removal average will indicate how far ahead you're removing roadblocks for the train of trades. It's a very good indicator of flow. And the last one is your remaining buffer ratio. This is best done in a visual graphic, but basically this tells you if you have enough buffers for the remainder of the project based on where you are today. And so all we're asking you to do is to dig into these, to ask our team about them, and to learn to love them and to keep those scores up so that you can really make sure that we have good flow within the system. And so that's the ask, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. On we go.